your Wi-Fi sucks. This mesh system fixes it. AmpliFi HD by Ubiquiti is wild. You ever been on a Zoom call, mid-sentence, just killing it, and boom, Wi-Fi drops like a bad habit? Or trying to stream your favorite show in bed, only to get the dreaded buffering wheel of death? Yeah, welcome to the Wi-Fi struggle Olympics. Maybe your signal's weak upstairs, non-existent in the kitchen, and your smart devices act more dumb than helpful. Most of us are dealing with routers older than our Spotify playlists, dead zones that feel like tech Bermuda triangles, and extenders that kinda sorta work on every third Tuesday. It's frustrating. It's demotivating. It's a vibe killer. And the pain? It doesn't stop. Missed work calls, laggy gaming sessions, glitchy smart homes, and forgotten Netflix dreams, all because your Wi-Fi coverage is spread thinner than free samples at Costco. You restart your modem, wave your phone in the air, and pray to the ISP gods, but nothing really fixes the problem. The anxiety of connectivity failure is real, and when you're juggling remote work, smart gadgets, and digital lives across every room, one weak link in your network can send the whole house into chaos. It's not just annoying, it's sabotaging your productivity and sanity. Enter the AmpliFi HD WiFi System by Ubiquiti Labs, the sleek, silent killer of crappy signals. This isn't just a router, it's a whole home Wi-Fi takeover, ready to nuke your dead zones and bless your space with 10,000 square feet of buttery-smooth, dual-band coverage. With mesh technology, 2 high-power MeshPoints, and 4 Gigabit Ethernet ports, AmpliFi delivers a stable, no-lag, no buffering experience that finally lets your tech breathe. Whether you're gaming, streaming, zooming, or just yelling at your smart fridge, AmpliFi's enterprise-grade signal says, "I got you." Bonus points, set up as a joke, 5 minutes with the app and boom, you're golden. What else? A touchscreen router that shows you real-time speeds, app-based parental controls, guest networks, and even VPN access when you're traveling. Say goodbye to those awkward blinking lights and hello to a mesh system that's actually sexy. Ubiquiti's engineering gives you lightning-fast 802.11 AC performance, seamless roaming, and signal strength you can feel. It's clean. It's powerful. And it actually works, without a million wires, tech headaches, or boring firmware updates. This isn't some knockoff Wi-Fi magic, it's designed by the same people powering pro-level networks around the world. Don't wait until your Wi-Fi rage hits boiling point. Thousands of tech-savvy homes have already made the jump, and they're not looking back. If you're tired of slow speeds, lag, and failed connections, the AmpliFi HD is your glow-up in a box. Limited stock, high demand, and serious word-of-mouth buzz mean this thing doesn't sit on shelves long. So grab it while you can, crush your Wi-Fi anxiety, and give your devices the connection they deserve. Click now, power up, and make buffering a thing of the past. Let's mesh things up the right way.